guys, I'm Priyanka and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will share easy hairstyle tutorial with you guys. It's gonna be super grand hairstyling, and of course it is an effortless look, but once you do this hairstyling, nobody will believe you that you have done it by your own. Everybody will think that you got it done from a salon or parlor. So yeah, let's get started. So it's very simple. What I'm gonna do, I'll just take the center partition and then I'll twist some hair like this, and I will tuck these hair at the back. Then I'm gonna take these hair and I will leave. So I'm gonna leave this hair. I will curl it later, and I will also take some hair like this. Okay, and I will flip this hair over this one like so. I'll use some hairspray, and now I'm gonna twist the hair like this. I will secure it with bobby pin. Next, I will take my entire hair one side and I will braid it. You don't need to be very neat while braiding your hair. Just tightly you need to braid it. The normal braid, which is very simple to do. So next I will use this extension. So I just purchased this one from Flipkart for just 199 rupees. As you can see, the color of this hair matches with my own. So you will get different colors on Flipkart, and I will link the product in the description box. So I'm going to be using this to create a braid, and it will be a messy braid. So what you're going to do, by the way, this is 32 inch, the length is 32 inch. So while purchasing, please be careful with the size, length of the extension. So I will attach this hair extension to my hair. That's what I told you, it's gonna be super grand look, but it looks really good if you're wearing a very nice bridal lehenga for Diwali, or you're newly married, or you're just putting the pallu over the head and the hair comes out. Looks amazing. So I'm gonna do that. So it's very easy to tuck. Just do it like this equally, and at the back put a pin in a cross form. It's not too heavy that it's lightweight. Okay, so now once you are done with that, what we'll do, we will just overlap this one quickly over one other so that it becomes more volume. And then over the natural braid, I'm going to wrap this. Using these bobby pins, I will randomly put it, fix the hair like so. So next, to decorate my braid, like I told you, it's going to be super grand. I do have this silver detailing in it, but I don't have silver accessories. So just to show you guys, I'm going to be using this one to wrap it around and decorate my braid. So very simple. You need to start it from here. With a pin, just do like this. So in a floral pattern, you just need to blend it over the hair. So you can decorate it however you want. It depends on what accessories you are doing on your hair. So likewise you can do that. Okay, so it's done now. I will curl the remaining hair that I have left. So guys, you saw how easy this hairstyling is, and then I will wear my earrings so I'm going to be wearing this Chand Bali. So guys, this is the final look. I did the hairstyle, I wore the jewelries. I know it is not matching with my dress, but still whatever I had, I tried to manage with this, and this is the final look. So I know this is little grand side, but I wanted to share something that is unique, and best part is that you can create it within 10 to 15 minutes max to max. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you give it a trial, then don't forget to tag me in your pictures on Instagram. And I really love the way it turned out. I think it's not only suitable for Diwali function for the Shahra, or maybe for Eid you can try out the look, or for the wedding season, you know, the brides even can give a trial to this hair looks. It looks very grand and photogenic. So yes, that's all for the video. I just want to wish you all again a very happy Diwali in advance. Stay tuned and do subscribe the channel. Enjoy watching my videos, and yeah, I love you all. See you soon. Bye.